Have you ever said yes when you desperately wanted to say no? Do you constantly worry about disappointing people? If your happiness depends on keeping everyone else happy, you may be trapped in the psychology of people-pleasing. And here's the surprising part. People-pleasing doesn't usually make people respect you more. It often makes them respect you less. Let's explore why. Section 1. What is people-pleasing? People-pleasing is the habit of putting other people's needs, opinions, and comfort ahead of your own. It may look like kindness on the outside, but underneath, it's often driven by fear. Fear of rejection, fear of conflict, or fear of not being good enough. Many people-pleasers believe that if they are always helpful, everyone will like them. Unfortunately, that's not how human psychology works.
Section 2. The hidden costs. Every time you ignore your own needs just to avoid upsetting someone, you're sending yourself a dangerous message. My needs don't matter. Over time, this creates stress, anxiety, and emotional exhaustion. You begin saying yes to extra work. You tolerate disrespect. You stay in unhealthy friendships. And eventually, resentment starts to grow. Ironically, people often value things that have limits. If you're always available, always agreeing, and never setting boundaries, people may begin taking your kindness for granted. Instead of appreciation, you receive expectations. Section 3. Why we become people pleasers. Psychologists believe people-pleasing often begins early in life. Some children learn that love or approval comes from being obedient, quiet, or helpful. As adults, that pattern continues. The brain starts connecting approval with safety. So saying no feels uncomfortable, even when it's necessary. The good news? Your brain can learn a healthier pattern. Section 4. How to break free. Start with one simple habit. Pause before answering every request. Instead of saying yes immediately, say, "Let me think about it." Ask yourself, am I doing this because I truly want to, or because I'm afraid of disappointing someone? Healthy relationships respect boundaries. The people who genuinely care about you won't disappear because you occasionally say no. Remember, being kind is a strength, but sacrificing yourself to earn approval is not. Respect begins when you respect your own boundaries. If you enjoyed this psychology lesson, subscribe for more videos that help you understand yourself and the people around you.